my beautiful people. How una day? Today I'm here with a very quick one on how to play one simple but amazing praise bass line. So without wasting much of your time, pick up your bass, pick up your headphones, and let's go.
For the miracles you've done, I give you glory. For the miracles you've done, I give you glory. Counting my blessings, many the world, I give you glory.
All right, these are the notes I played. And the song is on the key of F. Okay, so I started with okay, so let me take that slowly before saying the notes out. So the notes are re mi fa ti do, re mi fa ti do, then mi fa fi so 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 so. Okay, re mi fa ti do, re mi fa fi so 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 so. All right. And for the number system, we have 2, 3, 4, then 7, 1. Okay, 3, 2. Sorry, 2, 3, 4, 7, 1. Then 3, 4. Then 4 sharp. So 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, 2, 2, 3, 4, 7, 1. Then 3, 4, 4 sharp, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. All right. Then followed by the bass line. Let me take that slowly. So the notes are sol la do 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 do, mi la re so. Okay, re mi so 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 ti, re mi so 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 ti. I'm using hammer-ons. Re mi so 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 ti. Okay, even the beginning hammer-on. Sol la do 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 do, mi la re mi so 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 ti, do re fa la, do re fa la. Okay, sol la do 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 do, mi la re mi so 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 ti, do re fa la. Okay, sol la do 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 do, mi la re mi so 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 ti, do re fa la. As simple as that. Okay, just practice it slowly, and then add the hammer-ons. Then I was adding ghost notes or dead notes. Okay. So la do 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 do, mi la, re mi so 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 ti, the notes. Okay, just practice it slowly and apply it to the song. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button. Also like this video and share it with your friends. And please, your comments on the comment section. See you next time. God bless you.